Hey. Yo, that's like a drift mode.
Now remember, this thing's been out of commission for a couple months now.
Self-worth, I'm only under 20, gotta learn how health works. Maybe when I do, then she'll cast me.
He's beautiful, guys. Shane. Yeah, I'll see you in a couple of hours. Peace. Hey, we're at the airport, and my buddy Shane actually just dropped me off, and it's 6 a.m. right now. I have a flight in like an hour that's heading to Edmonton, and I bought this flight on a whim because today is the day I'm actually picking up my new car. And the car that I'm picking up is almost completely stock, so I'm gonna be starting from scratch. I'll see you guys in like 50 minutes. It's brisk, but we're in Edmonton. Yo, Vince, what up, dude? How are you? Oh, there it is. Sick. Hey.
Yo, that's like a drift mode.
Dude, we'll show you guys the car. Pleasure, man.
Yeah, for sure. Intention was to do with it, but it's just been sitting parked here.
Now remember, this thing's been out of commission for a couple months now.
Foot too. I'm cutting everything.
Alright, guys. This is it. So it's like perfect platform to have fun with.
Something circling the water where I'm swimming. Smoking weed is telling me the demon isn't winning, but girl, I'ma tell you what's next.
JDM to Euro. First things first, we gotta diagnose it. Other than that, I do have a vision for it.
Need some rims though.
Yeah, me too, me too. Window crack. True test is me driving it back to Calgary. Alright, we'll switch to GoPro mode.
Let me recollect myself first. My lids are dropping low like that DG self-worth. I'm only under 20, gotta learn how health works. Maybe when I do, then she'll cast me. I could play the role, cinematic and she know,
Alright, so here it is, guys. This is a 1999 BMW 323 IS. The guy was asking for $3,500, but I managed to knock down a couple of grand. And the only thing I had to do was buy a new battery for it and drive it down 3 hours, which wasn't too bad because, as you can see, we made it here in one piece.
Show me love, put your body on top of mine and hold me like you'll never let me go. It feels like I've been giving you the best of me and you just keep on letting me down.
Today is gonna be putting the headlights back together.
With your lips on mine that you don't love me like you did that night. I'm so nervous that you'll never feel the same and you'll never find a place in my arms. Hey, show me love, show me love, show me love. Show me love, show me love, show me love. I'm not asking you for much, just give me something to feel. Show me love, show me love, show me love. Call me up.
Oh my goodness, guys. What happened?
Yo.
Holy crap, dude. What were we thinking? Well, this is what happens when you forget to torque your wheels. Damn. Alright, I guess it's time for a wide body. Diff. Good spot to take some shots.
And the weight of your touch.
What do you guys think of the car?
He gifted the car 1 million out of 100, and I give it 1,557.
Kings must rise. Yeah.
Weird sentence, but I like it.
So babe, I cannot forget you. All I need is one drop and then all would be forgotten, babe. Can't live without you. You're like what, baby, what? You're like what, baby, what? It's been so long I can't remember in the desert, babe. I cannot forget you. All I need is one drop and then I would be forgotten, babe. Can't live without you. You're like,
Oh, doggy!
Might just waste away, don't know what life's about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like.
Alright, we gotta keep going back to our reference here on Google. So I'm kind of scared to be cutting this much off. I guess it really depends the wheel size too. Remember guys, this is what the concept looked like that I made on Photoshop. So these are gonna be the wheels that we're supposed to be rocking with the final stage. And now I'm taking a look. There's supposed to be 2 bolts right there for the rear. I don't even have like a backing on this top part to be able to do that. So I may have to add that, and that explains the markings on the body kit. Center. Try to figure out where that is. Might want to get one of your friends to help you out for this next part.
I've been trying my best not to think about you, but you're stuck in my mind. I've been hypnotized by you. Hey, all the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. Cause when it was us, I was never enough. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
You guys get a good idea?
Yeah. Seeing all these people, having someone to lean on while I don't. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
I'm impressed.
Messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
That's it, another one to add to the Kelly Green fleet. Now don't think just because it's done, there's gonna be no more E36 content on this channel. On the contrary, we're just getting started. Now for the rest of whatever's gonna happen in this thing, you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned. But if you like the vibes and you haven't subscribed yet, maybe consider subscribing. You know what happens when people come by the garage and they see all these cool cars sitting outside? They ask me, what do you guys do here? Just because we're not really a car service place, you know what my answer is? We just like to have fun. That's it. Appreciate you for watching and we'll see you on the next vlog. Peace.